Sngi Shwabun Khlad no nakani ka slaperte ha H Gordon Robert Hospital Shillong ha ka janmi chung ka khatkandai tarik rumpang arajar apun rio na ka jinglap kansan ka jingshitam ha ka por bo yele kai football maulai moyong ha ka khatpra tarik rumpang arajar apun rio ka Kyrteng jong u Dr. Ricky Andrew Jones Singkon kumu MP Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency kadang pau pedeng ka Jingïania ha ka torbar mang tingka ka yeng torbar thau an ka jala Meghalaya ka bede bakamat inalain permit ka te ka jingmi ka Kyrteng jong Dr. Ricky ka de ka Sngi ka balai jong ka torbar mang tingka ka badang yat hadu menta pat kami hapadeng ka Jingïania ka kenta keli jingkeli Halor ka ILP bashuya siriem lingba ka Immigration and Foreigners Act arajar san pat ka ILP bapura hapadeng ba Arden Miller basoymat MLA na nongkrem badeiru President ka Voice of the People Party VPP baru Konrad ke sangma menteri rangba ka jela hakate ka por pa Arden ulong ka sarkar jela ka le ka ya ka jingsngo pat ba Halor ka LP ka pelong yo menteri rangba banong makatnot sien ulalek yakren bat katanat kampo yeng ka sarkar India Halor ka LP kani ka lalam che ka Jingïania ban pelong yo ba Arden ban tit miet pan nakajing syak keno pamau ni MP jongki umkren AA Halor ka LP uba Arden ulong bau MP jongki uladap kren ya ka LP bat u Amit Shah.
A sincere reply from the government, whether the government is playing with the sentiment of the people as far as ILP is concerned.
Sir, we have written and I have written letters to the Honorable Home Minister multiple times on the ILP. I have met the Honorable Home Minister and the Honorable Prime Minister multiple times on the ILP. I would like to know how many times have the Honorable Member met the Home Minister? How many times the LO has met the Honorable Home Minister?
I have not had the opportunity
Please
to meet
reply.
because I'm
if
just
you are
an
serious
MLA.
about ILP, how many
I know
times
you are not serious.
How many
in
times have you
tackling.
met?
If you are
How many
serious,
times have you met?
If you are serious,
how many
if
times
you
have
go
you
to
met?
Delhi, really serious.
How
If
many-
you-
And my question was that how many times has Honorable Member himself gone to Delhi to meet the Government of India and to Home Ministry? So this requires concerted effort from all levels. And therefore, while yes, I understand that he has mentioned that it's a very important issue and he's multiple times spoken on it, I urge the Honorable Member, through you, sir, that pursue along with us in Delhi. They have a Member of Parliament. Pursue it in Delhi. Meet. Sir, organizations and NGOs have met. They have written. But Honorable Member himself has not written. But he mentions about this multiple times in the House. That's my only point. So we should practice what we preach is what I'm saying. That's all.
Danga kakhat arterik unok pra arja rupsan Dr. Ricky Andrew Jones Singkon lawan IT daga jingtho hu Amit Shah menteri kampo yeng ka sarkar India ringkat ka jinggetu penken mau ya ka sarkar India ban penteri kam ya ka inalain permit ILP ha jela Meghalaya hapo ka Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873 haga jingtho u Dr. Ricky la pin kan mau bagi yeng darbar tho an ka jilla Meghalaya kala shong ye ka darbar kat pang bashi Sngi haga khat khandai trik no pra arjar kat khandai haga bala menjori ka resolution ban dawa na sarkar India ban kan thop ye ka jilla Meghalaya po ki kendon ka ILP system ulong baga jing menjori ka resolution ka day na ka jing sokya ya ka jing wan rung kerthep ki brio pan shabar ka jilla klim dadon ki kendon ban te lakam bat benrap ba watla yakran bunsien yakani henrei ka klempoi shesha eru ka balong ga jingso kya ikinok song shnong ga jalla u Dr. Ricky la kentu badai ban ai ka jingtep ka bashaj ka parliament bat ka yeng torbar tho an ga jalla halor ka jingterwa pertekam ya ka ILP knang bikin nong song shnong kin don ga Jingïania bat ki mat jingdawa jongki hi enchum kya ka rukam ka badai
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta ka Sngi
lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya